Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to start a new topic, classes and objects. Now, as we have already discussed in our previous lectures, a class is a user-defined data type which holds both data and function. The data inside the class are called the member data and the functions are called the member functions. Now, what is object? Object is an instance of a class which is used to access the members of the class. So, if we see, we can say like that a class is a kind of a template which is holding both the data and the functions together wrapped up in one package kind of, and the object is the runtime entity of that particular class. So like we define primitive data types of integer, float, double, and we create the variables for the same, like integer type of variable a. Then we can use this variable a for holding any data or for any calculation purpose. In the similar fashion, when we define, now this class has become a data type, but it is a user-defined data type as compared to the primitive data types. So this class, which has become now the user-defined data type, can also be used to declare its variables. So the variables of the class can be called as objects. Now next, syntax of the class. So we have to write first of all the name class, which is a reserved word or a keyword. After that space and then the class name. Now this class name can be follows the same rule as the identifiers or any variables follows. It means it had to start with some letter. It can be a combination of letters and digits or underscores, but it cannot have any special symbols in it. तो क्लास नेम कुछ भी हो सकता है, जैसे हम लोग वेरिएबल्स को डिफाइन करते हैं वैसे ही हम लोग का वही सेम रूल्स क्लास के नाम को लिखने के लिए भी यूज़ में आता है. तो क्लास का नाम में हम लोग सिंबल्स मतलब कैरेक्टर्स और डिजिट्स का कॉम्बिनेशन यूज़ कर सकते हैं. द क्लास का नाम शुड स्टार्ट विद द एनी कैरेक्टर एंड इट कैन ऑल्सो कंटेन सम अंडरस्कोर्स, बट special symbols are not allowed. Also, you cannot use any reserved word or keyword for the class name. Now syntax of it is like this. So initially you have to write the class, which is a reserved word, after that space and then the class name, bracket open, in the last bracket close and the semicolon. In between you can write any number of data members, that is variables or functions.